Hey guys, it's Trev here with another Norwood Tech tip. One of our individual features that are patented to just our design is the AutoLocking Sawhead. What it does is it lets you position the handle wherever you want to make your cut and cut. There's no secondary reaching around the machine, trying to lock it in another place so that you can keep it stable when you're making your cut. You simply align it on the scale and then go ahead and make your cut, and then lift it up and bring it back, and then repeat the same thing over again. A lot of other machines have different ways to keep the sawhead stable when you're cutting. So rather than having one key position that you can work from, you're constantly having to move around the machine and tighten something up and loosen something. And when you're milling, it's important to try and keep all of these other distractions away. So one less thing to think about is a real benefit.